today is, of course, the day 2 from building income through content creation. And yeah, I mean, if you haven't watched the first day, the previous videos that I've covered, which I talked about the journey and everything that I'm documenting to build income through online content creation. And yeah, I mean, if you are following the journey at the moment, today is a day 2 from this content creation journey, and I'm building online income through content creation. Through video creation, I just film, talk about my journey, of course, specifically because I want to make money in the next 30 days, and I'm setting kind of like a public goals. And today I'm going to set an income goal. Okay, I'm not hiding anything. I'm not kind of like guessing whatsoever. This is the number that I'm chasing. This is the number that I'm pursuing, and I just want to let you know, quite importantly, how much money I want to actually make by the end of these 30 days. Previously, I've started the journey from the zero, no audience, no income, and of course, just started with my camera and of course, idea, okay? And my idea is, of course, to make money online through content creation. But today, I would like to define something very important, okay? Which is, of course, the real number, and what I'm going to be realistic with you, how much money I actually want to make. Okay, my goal is clear, simple, and of course kind of like quite realistic. Okay, and my goal, I don't really have quite a specific number that I would like to make by the end of this month, but I just want to make sure that from building content creation to make source of income, there is no specific number, as I mentioned earlier, because I just want to make the money, and I want to see how I make the first number. It doesn't really matter. That will give me kind of like motivation. That will give me kind of like inspiration, okay, to carry on and to prove to you it works, okay? And I believe if you are following the journey, I've just started from zero, and I don't know how much money I'm gonna make, but this is the number, but it's not quite specific at the moment. But once it's done and once I made it, I will definitely let you know, okay? And I just want to like kind of to make it quite specific, okay? But not now, because I haven't got the number. But in the next 30 days, when I got the number, I will let you know what number I've made and what number I haven't made, okay? I won't just rely on just one source of income when it comes like making content creation and to build income through content creation. I'm planning to build multiple income streams, okay? I've already built quite a lot of things. I've done kind of like YouTube monetization is always there, and affiliate marketing, I've also done it, and like kind of like digital products. I haven't got digital products, but freelancing services. I've got a course, but the course is kind of like, it's not related to the niche that I'm doing at the moment, because that's a different niche, because I run different channel as well, and this is actually the different multiple ways that you can actually make money, and you can't just depend on one source of income. To be fair, I'm trying to make money. It's not just on YouTube, okay? I'm trying to make money through different platforms, different sources of income, okay? And as I mentioned earlier, you can use affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, for those who don't know, affiliate marketing is basically you kind of like, if you done video about, let's say, a book, a product, whether that's camera, mic, microphone, or a lot of things, and if you mention that product in your video where you explain the product and how it helped you and how it's been useful to you, then if you mention that product, you can link the product that you've mentioned in your video, or the link provided in your video, and then that video, if someone order the product, you will earn a specific percentage of that product commission. Okay, so like you get some money from that product, okay, but is not that much money, but like kind of a sense. Okay, it's quite important to think about it, because you don't actually need to have more following to do that, because I've started this I think like a month ago. Because if you can see my content right now, I've done quite a lot of videos about books and everything, and that helped me to kind of like to build a strong habit, to be disciplined on how to grow myself and a lot of things. But I believe if you kind of like you are trying to build income through content creation, it doesn't really have to be by making videos online or something like that. So you can do many different ways. Okay, so I hope that helps, and I hope you kind of like you understand how to make money online. Okay, so it doesn't really have to be on a specific kind of platform. You will target many different platforms. Okay, I know this won't be easy, and I might not make money in the next 30 days, but my videos might get 10 viewers, 0 views. I don't know. I don't really know. But for the next 30 days, I'm committing posting consistently and improving every single video. And of course, I believe that's it. And learning from the journey at the same time. So if you're about to start content creation and you want to start something that is going to last for long term, just start and comment below if you don't know how to make money online. I'm just learning, and I'll give you literally the tips that I'm using to make money online. Okay, so I haven't made anything right now, but in the next 30 days I'll show you how I did it, and if I didn't, you will see how I did it. Okay,